Now, solution to engineering mechanics by Timosenko, Young, Rao, Sukumar Pati, Tata McGraw-Hill, 5th edition. Problem set 2.3, solution to 2.25 is a simple one. You can get this type of problems in your JEE main examination, not in GATE. You might get. Now, what is it? The statement is like this: a circular roller of weight Q is equal to 445 Newton. This is a circular roller. The weight Q M into G is vertically downward because the earth is pulling it, and radius 150 millimeter hangs by a tie rod AC. This rod from A to C is a tie rod AC. Its length is 300 millimeter, and the ball rests against a smooth vertical wall. And this is a smooth vertical wall, means at the point of contact B, and there is no force of friction. As shown in figure D, determine the tension S in this tie rod, and the force RB, the reaction force at B exerted against the wall at point B. So what is given? C is the center of the circular roller. Q is 445 Newton. CB, from C to B, is your radius. That is also given 1550 mm. The length AC from A to C is also given as 300 mm. The wall is smooth, so there is no friction at the point of contact B. Now, when this ball at the point of contact B presses against the wall as an action force, the wall provides a reaction force to this side. That reaction force is RB, right? Now, AC is equal to a tie rod. Therefore, the tension, which is represented as H, acts away from the joint C. So therefore, the tension is away from the joint C. Now, the normal reaction RB will point to this side, passing through the point of concurrence, that is point C. Therefore, if you construct this triangle ACB, which I have constructed here, ACB, let this angle is alpha, you can take it theta, no problem. So cos of this angle will be base over hypotenuse, that is 150 over 300, that comes out to be half. So this angle is equal to 60 degree. So this angle is equal to 60 degree. I have again redrawn the diagram for you, taking the same circular roller here. Point C to this side is your tension. The reaction force was provided by the wall on this side, is passing through the point of concurrence C and is to this side, it is RB, and the weight is vertically downward. Q is equal to 445 Newton. Alpha we just calculated as 60 degree. So now let us apply Lami's theorem. So Q over sine of this angle. This angle will be 180 minus alpha is equal to S over this angle. Sine 90 is equal to RB over this sine of RB over sine of this angle, that is sine 90 plus alpha. Now if you consider these two and cross multiply, you get S is equal to Q sine 90 over sine 180 minus alpha. I have put the value of alpha. So sine 120, sine 91, just put it in a scientific calculator, comes out to be 513.841 Newton. And similarly, of course, 841 के आगे भी और digits है. I have only taken up to 3 digits. So if you consider this equal to this and cross multiply, you get RB is equal to Q sine 90 plus alpha over sine 180 minus 60. That is, put the value of Q and sine 150 divided by sine 120. This comes out to be 256920 Newton.